All right, we are here at the historic McClure building in Frankfort, Kentucky. Look at this old staircase. Look at this elevator. Which, don't let the call buttons fool you, because wait till you see what's on the inside. Buttons don't light up. But yeah, don't let them fool you, because wait till you see what we have. Here it is. Otisito. Kone sensors. Let's go down to B. Wow. Let's get a cab view. Oh, I love that bell. There's your Otisito logo. Oh, there's a bell down here. I love that. And I love the door hum too. Up to 7. Wow. Look at those original doors and everything. This is a beautiful old building. B. There's your added innovation fire service. Otis. Look at these. These beautiful old black buttons. Going down?
Yes, please.
1?
Yes, sir.
I'm just enjoying this really cool vintage elevator.
It's nice. It is an older type one.
I mean, it's not original to the building, but it's like from like the 60s or 50s, though. It's pretty, it's still pretty old. It's an old Otis. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You do the same.
All right. There's your interlock. There's an Otis logo up there, actually. Up to 7. I'm gonna get out here real quick. I'm gonna demonstrate the bell. Listen. One. There's your arrows and your buttons. Non-ADA phone. You're on 1.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Run. Hello.
Hey. And that's it.